Hello everyone. A few days ago, I talked about feeling stuck, directionless, low energy, alone in my own head, and I realized something is simple. When your mind feels messy, your routine usually is too. Not because you are lazy, but because you have lost structure. So instead of trying to fix my whole life, I decided to fix my day. Wake up at a fixed time, move my body, do one meaningful task, limit random scrolling. Nothing extreme, but structure creates stability. When your day has shape, your thoughts calm down. Routine is not boring, it is grounding. You don't need motivation to rebuild yourself. You need rhythm. Small habits done daily start pulling you out of heavy phases. I'm not completely clear about everything yet, but I feel steadier, and sometimes steady is enough. This is a quick talk with Gaurav, and rebuilding start with one simple routine.